Carol, what are you doing?
I'm resting.
Do you mind helping me with yard work?
Fine.
You see this grass?
Yeah?
I want you to cut the weeds outside.
What was that?
Get back to your work. There's no strange noise. Hey, Carol, let's come back to this later.
Where's it coming from?
We have to go across the street.
Camera's getting blurry. Oh!
Carol, come back.
No. Ow! Got a fire truck. Oh my Lord God.
I need to find Carol. Carol, you're back.
Not really. I'm kidnapped with a wolf.
Where are you?
I'm kind of underground where I think the lair is.
You mean all this time me and the other people who live on this street have been walking over his lair?
Yes.
How do we stop him?
Well, I'm in his lair right now, and there's no way out.
What is the wolf doing?
He's cooking something. This might be my opportunity to escape.
Carol, how did you escape?
I dug out of his lair very quietly so he wouldn't notice me. Oh no, we got trouble now.